Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your site looks fine on desktop but broken on mobile, overlapping sections, giant text, squished images or buttons off screen, don't panic. In 2026 this usually happens because content choices override GoDaddy's responsive logic, not because the platform is broken. So follow this checklist in order and you will fix it fast. So switch to mobile preview. Okay, so log into GoDaddy, go to website, marketing, and then go to edit website. Okay, so you will have a page like this. Now scroll top to button and notes, overlaps, cuts off text, huge images, horizontal scrolling. Always diagnose in mobile preview first. Okay, so as you can see, how does it look in the mobile. So mobile issues are section specific, so ask which section breaks first. Is it text, image, gallery, or embed? Okay, so don't fix globally, target the offender. Okay, so fix image that are too large. So common problems: desktop sized images on mobile. Okay, so click the image, reduce image size, change layout to stacked if available, avoid full width images in tight sections. So one oversized image can break the entire page. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.